LedgerLifers, Maria Irene here. Today we are diving into a financial face-off, Bitcoin versus bonds. But before we unravel this clash, there is a side story brewing. Head over to my recent article on Peter Brand to catch the details of his bold predictions for Bitcoin. Now back to our main event, Bitcoin and bonds. A showdown that could redefine safe assets. So let's get into it. Investor entrepreneur Anthony Pompliano's recent comments on Bitcoin outperforming bonds couldn't have come at a more intriguing time. Just days after BlackRock CEO Larry Fink categorized Bitcoin as a flight to quality. The turn of events has raised eyebrows in financial circles, prompting a re-evaluation of what we consider to be safe or quality assets. Historically, bonds have been the go-to safe haven asset, backed by the stability of governments or large corporations. Their predictable returns have always been a comfort for investors in uncertain times. In stark contrast, Bitcoin's journey has been anything but predictable. Its volatility can be stomach-churning, but in 2023 alone, it has seen a surge of over 100% year to date, while TLT, a popular bond-related ETF, has declined by 17%. Is Bitcoin poised to replace bonds as a safe asset in investor portfolios? According to Pomp, the jury is still out on that one, but the market trends are suggesting a fascinating shift. Capital flows have shown a marked preference for Bitcoin over bonds lately, making it evident that investor interest in this digital asset is not just a fleeting trend. The BlackRock CEO's flight to quality statement signals a seismic shift in market perception, potentially categorizing Bitcoin as a new store of value. It's a noteworthy development as Bitcoin's ascent gains more credence among institutional investors. Its acceptance is also aided by technological advancements like blockchain, which is viewed as a disruptive but incredibly promising force in finance. Moreover, the macroeconomic environment might be nudging investors toward Bitcoin. With inflation concerns on the rise, the traditional safe havens like bonds, whose returns are eroded by inflation, appear less attractive. Bitcoin, often dubbed digital gold, offers a semblance of protection against this erosion due to its scarcity effect. And the younger investors who are more conversant with digital assets could be steering this shift. They find Bitcoin's decentralized nature more appealing than the centralized control mechanisms of traditional financial systems. In addition, Bitcoin's 24/7 trading accessibility gives it an edge over the constrained trading hours for bonds. It would be remiss to ignore the influence of innovations like decentralized finance in this equation. And this Defi is presenting new kinds of investment opportunities that might be diverting interest from the traditional bonds. The high yield potential of these crypto assets, even considering their volatility, it is becoming increasingly hard to ignore. Another factor worth noting is the disenchantment with traditional finance, which is pushing people to look for alternative systems. The narrative around Bitcoin serving as the next step in financial evolution is stronger than ever, luring investors away from bonds and into the embrace of crypto assets. To summarize, the rise of Bitcoin as a possible safe asset is a multifaceted phenomenon shaped by a confluence of technological, economic, and societal factors. While it may be premature to say that Bitcoin has unequivocally replaced bonds as the go-to safe asset, the signs are compelling. If this trajectory continues, this won't just be a blip in financial history, but rather a cornerstone event that challenges Wall Street's traditional worldview. So, how about the real kicker? With each passing day, this paradigm shift looks increasingly likely. So what's the verdict? Is Bitcoin poised to dethrone bonds as the go-to safe asset? While the jury is still out, the signs are compelling. With each passing day, Bitcoin's ascent challenges the traditional financial worldview. So stay tuned for more updates on LedgerLife, where we unravel the complexities of the ever-evolving financial landscape. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and embrace unfolding revolution in finance.